Filigree is a brand portfolio of distinct living spaces that is setting the bar for modern luxury living. Adhering to the seamless balance of elegance and functionality that Filigree properties are known for is Botanika Nature Residences.
We thought of the one-bedroom unit owner as someone who is somewhat progressive, somewhat liberal, someone who's open to new things and adventurous, someone who's not bound by rules and restrictions, and yet who is practical at the same time. So we opted for a minimal treatment and created instead a more tailored and contoured look. So there is a balance between massive and delicate. We always try to create a calming, centering environment so that when you enter your front door, you feel relaxed.
Botanika's carefully considered design is testament to Filigree's appreciation for space and its effect on the living experience. The project's space planners went through the rigorous exercise of studying the likely traffic patterns to raise the comfort of its occupants. The common and private areas are well separated to provide convenience and safety for both the owner and their guests, such as the location of the bathroom in this one-bedroom unit, which is strategically located in an accessible area that is separate from the master bedroom. Another equally rigorous space planning process done was eliminating the odd and useless corners that would take away from the overall sense of openness. This led to deliberate contours and proportion that makes up the remarkable spatial quality. A special feature in a Botanika unit is the sizable lanai that is treated as an integral space. It serves as an extension of the living room and links to the verdant outdoors. With its size, it can be fully utilized for various purposes such as a fitness deck, lounge area, or a pocket garden.
If you want to know more about Filigree, please visit the newly opened Filigree Show Suites at Corporate Avenue, Filinvest City Alabang. You can also schedule a visit through their website at www.filigree.com.ph.